My name is ADEỌSUN TAIWO. So today we are going to discuss about Erindinlogun procedure. Firstly, to know more about Erindinlogun, you must know the outline and the procedure for each OLOWU and what you are going to use and the material for the Erindinlogun divination. Firstly, you must have the ADEỌSUN or Highness for the Erindinlogun divination. That is the first thing to have in order to know and be able to practice the Erindinlogun divination, even by yourself, at home or anywhere. So you must have this ADEỌSUN or Highness. So that is good for you because you will be able to practice and practice through that. So by then you will be able to know what you are doing when you put more effort in practicing. So you will surely know what you are doing. And the second procedure is that you must understand what each OLOWU in Erindinlogun means and symbolize. That is, what is this? It means that you must know the meanings of the OLOWU, not just knowing that this is the OLOWU for so no, you must know the meaning and what is symbolized. That is what this OLOWU, for example, Okana. But Okana now is for Ile. It symbolizes Ile. That is, such person is going to make sacrifice to Ile, the land. But if you don't know more about this, you won't know that it is the land, Ile, that you are going to make sacrifice to. So, but when you know what is symbolized, you know that it is Ile, Okana is Ile. So by then you will be able to know what you are doing. And what is the third procedure for Erindinlogun divination? You must know how to cast the Erindinlogun divination. And how can you know that? You will firstly know the each 16 OLOWU in Erindinlogun. When you have known that, so you will be able to bring out good distinction casting of Erindinlogun process. So you will know everything very well. So you have to know each of them. So that is how you will know how to cast the Erindinlogun divination. So, and what is the fourth? The fourth Erindinlogun procedure is that you must understand and know the sacrifice to be recommended for each OLOWU in Erindinlogun. For example, if a jogbe comes out, it symbolizes Ori. It means that such person is going to make sacrifice to his head, the Ori. But if you don't know what each OLOWU sacrifice recommended for, is recommended for each OLOWU in Erindinlogun, you won't be able to prescribe and recommend some the necessary sacrifice. So you have to know this. So these are the procedure of Erindinlogun divination. Thanks. Once again, my name is ADEỌSUN TAIWO.